Love Notes. The reason for giving this title to this concert is very obvious. We are very close to the one and only Valentine's Day. Ghazal basically celebrates romance. Ghazal has a lot of poetry which is essentially or which is based on romance. So obviously and basically they say that उर्दू ज़बान जो है वो उसको मोहब्बत की बोली कहते हैं. So whatever we talk about when it comes to Urdu, it's a language of love. So when we thought of a concert around Valentine's Day, we thought that why not focus on the romantic aspect of Ghazal? Why not focus on the romanticism of poets who have really written some wonderful verses, wonderful couplets dedicated to romance. So that's the reason that why we decided to call this concert Love Notes, and it certainly is a concert where you will find small, nice love notes from different poets sung by me. ये गज़ल नहीं बल्कि गज़ल नुमा गीत है जो मेरे बेटर हाफ को मैं हमेशा डेडिकेट करता आया हूँ. बल्कि इस गीत का जन्म वहीं से हुआ था जब मैंने पहली बार इस गीत को फ़रीदा जो कि मेरी पत्नी है उसे सुनाया था. ये गीत मैंने 1984 में मेरा एक कॉन्सर्ट हुआ था लंदन के अल्बर्ट हॉल में, वहाँ गाया था और उस वक्त फ़रीदा वहाँ मौजूद थी. उस वक्त फ़रीदा ऑडियंस में थी और मैंने ये कह के गाया था कि ये जो गीत है वो मैं फ़रीदा को डेडिकेट कर रहा हूँ. वो मशहूर गीत है, चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल. Well, I met my loved one, I met my better half now, then my girlfriend. When I met her the first time, it was the first time that when we met, we both knew that we were made for each other. We met at a friend's house under very different and very, I would say, strange circumstances. We met during an evening when everyone was sitting and playing cards. And it was there that I met Farida, my better half. And I think that was the first date that I remember as far as she is concerned. And it still is very fresh in my mind. I've sung a lot of romantic songs for movies, in my albums, and basically my emphasis has always been on romance because I think the most important aspect of life, which is love. Out of whatever I have sung, I think in terms of popularity, in terms of effect, in terms of reach, I think there is one song which stands out. And the reason why this song stands out is that I've been complimented by people when people have come and said that this song is the national anthem of romance. So that really makes me feel happy though. It's a song which is चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तो ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल.